Hi y'all, welcome to Cyndi's RV Kitchen, and today we are going to make a shrimp scampi in the crock pot. I've never done this before, so this is a trial for me, and I hope you'll come along and see how it turns out. So first I'm going to put in about a 1/3 cup of chicken broth, and then a stick of butter, and I sliced it so it will melt faster with my little slicer that I got at Amazon. So I'm just going to put those in here, kind of spread them out a little bit so they melt better. And then next we are going to put in about a tablespoon or a half of a lemon. So I'm just going to squeeze that in here. And if it's a little more, it's not a big deal. Okay. And then we have 4 cloves of freshly diced garlic. So I'm going to add that in there. There's like not that many ingredients, and it's so super easy. Like, you know, that's what I like. Easy is great. And then olive oil or avocado oil. We use avocado oil for everything. We don't even buy olive oil anymore, but whatever your preference is. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of that in here. There we go. And let's see, we have about a teaspoon of black pepper. It always turns out pretty good, so you can measure it if you'd like, of course, but I just like to sprinkle things in there. And have some smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika if that's what you like. We kind of like the smoke, so I'm going to add about a teaspoon of that in there. And a teaspoon of sea salt. And then about a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. More if you like it's spicier. Just adds a little spice to it. And we're going to turn it on low. And it's going to cook for about 2 hours, but about 15 minutes before it's done, I'm going to add the shrimp because I don't want to overcook the shrimp. So it should only take about 15 minutes for the shrimp to turn pink. When your shrimp turns pink, then it's done. And it's use about a pound and a half of shrimp. I'm using the large shrimp. You can use medium or large, whichever you prefer, but that's what I had on hand. So that's what I'm going to use. And we'll get back to you in a little bit and we will see how it turns out. And oh, we're going to put it on angel hair pasta tonight. So it should be pretty good. It's got a lot of good ingredients in it. So hope for the best. Thank you all. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so it's time to add the shrimp to the scampi sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in there, and then we'll just let that cook until the shrimp are done. It smells good in here.
Very garlicky, huh?
Yes,
It should be.
Garlicky and buttery.
Yeah. A bunch of yum going on. That's a lot of shrimp.
It is. It's at a pound and a half, so that's what I got. It's what we had left too. Turned out pretty much the right amount. And these are raw, no tail, and deveined. Okay. So I'm going to cover that, and while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cook the angel hair pasta, and then we'll get back to you and finish it up. Okay, we're ready to dish this up. So let's put the angel hair pasta on the plate. And we'll get some of the yumminess to go on top here. Put that over here for a minute. And let's see. Okay. That looks pretty good. I thought there would be more sauce than there is, but I think it's going to be just fine. Okay, here we go. And I put a little butter and a little garlic salt on the noodles too. So we're having a lot of garlic tonight. But we love it like that, so it should be amazing. Okay. Okay, what do y'all think? Does it look pretty good? All right. Dinner time. Okay, y'all, so you know when you cook something for the first time and you don't know how it's going to turn out? Let me tell you about this shrimp scampi.
Oh, this was above and beyond. It's like, you know, better than you'd get in a restaurant and coming out of Cindy's RV kitchen. I mean,
we were impressed.
Totally impressed with this dish, and I think you will be too. And we want to thank everybody for following, and please subscribe if you like what you see, and we will see you in the days and weeks ahead.
You bet.
Thank you.
Thank you.